One thing becomes obvious when you become a parent. You need a stroller that can keep up with you and your child. The correct stroller makes life so much easier, whether you're rushing through airports or taking daily walks in the park. However, with so many options available, how can you determine which one offers the best convenience, safety, and comfort? We can help with that. We've compiled a list of the top strollers that blend clever design, useful functionality, and comfort that is appropriate for babies. Every family can find the ideal fit, whether they are searching for something portable, designed for active lifestyles, or lightweight. So parents, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to discover the greatest baby strollers available. Let's get started. Number 7. Inglesina Quid Stroller. The Inglesina Quid may be of interest to you if you're searching for a stroller that strikes a mix between comfort, convenience, and stylish design. With a weight of only 14 pounds, it is easy to carry, and the one-hand fold function makes things much easier when you're handling a wiggly toddler or baggage. It is a fantastic choice for frequent travelers because it folds up small enough to fit into the majority of airplane overhead bins. Its considerate design for both parents and children is what makes it unique. Your baby will stay cool and comfortable thanks to the 3D mesh ventilation window and the XL UPF 50+ canopy, which protects them from the sun's harmful rays. The stroller has a 5-point safety belt and a detachable bumper bar for enhanced security, and the cushioned jersey fabrics are pleasant against the skin. The zero-gravity shoulder strap, which evenly distributes the weight when carrying the folded stroller, will also be appreciated by parents because it makes the stroller appear lighter than it is. No stroller is flawless, of course, although the Quid's compatibility with some car seats such as Nuna, Maxi Cozy, Cybex, and Kleck is advantageous. It does require an adapter, which is offered separately and could be an additional inconvenience. Its small size makes it ideal for traveling, but it also means that there isn't much room below for storage, which is something to think about if you're a parent who keeps half of the home in your diaper bag. Although the Inglesina Quid offers portability, style, and overall baby comfort, some parents may find its extra accessories and limited storage space unsuitable. Number 6. Acomb Baby Stroller. The Acomb 2-in-1 convertible stroller is worth a deeper look if you're looking for a stroller that can grow with your child and still give you lots of flexibility. It is unique in that it may be used as an upright seat for toddlers and as a comfortable bassinet for infants. Your baby may sit up to see the world or take a comfortable nap thanks to the adjustable footrest and backrest. You can even choose to have your child face you or forward, which gives each ride a unique touch. The design is both fashionable and useful, while the breathable, skin-friendly cloth guarantees comfort for delicate newborn skin. The alloy steel frame feels robust. For chilly walks, the detachable foot cover is a considerate feature, and the mother bag that comes with it keeps necessities handy. Furthermore, the big PU wheels and shock-absorbing springs manage rough terrain quite effectively, so you don't have to be as concerned about bumps waking your infant up. Safety is obviously a focus. With features like a 5-point harness, 1-foot brake, and wrist strap built in, several trade-offs need to be considered. Although it folds up nicely for storage, it is not the most compact stroller available due to its larger wheels and all-terrain design. Additionally, it has a lot of storage space behind and underneath the seat, which is useful but may add some bulk. All things considered, the Acomb stroller blends comfort, style, and adaptability, making it a good option for parents looking for a stroller that can be used for both newborn and toddler trips. Number 5. Mom Push Whiz 2-in-1 Baby Stroller. Designed with families in mind, the Mom Push Whiz 2-in-1 stroller combines comfort, style, and functionality. Its capacity to transform between a bassinet mode for newborns and a seat mode for toddlers is one of its nicest features. As your child grows, it may provide a safe place for them to sit up straight or a comfortable place for them to slumber. Another feature is the reversible seat when they're interested in the outside world or toward you for comfort. Here, comfort and seamless journeys are obviously top priorities. The stroller's sophisticated suspension system keeps everything stable, even on difficult terrain, and its wheels enable 360-degree mobility. For parents, the imitation leather handle offers a pleasant feel and a hint of luxury. Additionally, the ventilation vents ensure that your kid doesn't get too hot, and the UPF 50+ canopy is a considerate touch that provides plenty of sun protection. To ensure you're ready for any weather, it even includes a rain cover and a foot cover. There are a few things to consider, of course. Although the car seat compatibility is useful, parents who prefer an all-in-one solution may find it an additional step as it requires a separate adapter. The stroller itself isn't the lightest choice for frequent flight travel, even while its roomy storage basket is excellent for keeping necessities. All things considered, the Mom Push Whiz excels in comfort and adaptability adaptability. Though it might not be the most convenient option for parents who are always on the go, it looks stylish, grows with your child, and makes outings easier. Number 4. Duna Car Seat and Stroller. One of those items that makes you question how parents survived without it in the past is the Duna Car Seat and Stroller. One of its most notable features is that it can be quickly converted from a car seat to a stroller by pressing a button. Convenience is elevated by this all-in-one design, which eliminates the need to rouse a sleeping infant or juggle several pieces of equipment. It's made to keep things flowing smoothly whether you're driving, navigating the airport, or running errands. The attention to comfort and safety is what truly makes it appealing. During the first few months of life, the near-flat ergonomic insert provides the right alignment by supporting your baby's neck and back. Peace of mind is offered by safety features like a 5-point harness, an anti-rebound bar, and 3 layers of side impact protection. Additionally, it has FAA approval, which makes flying with your child much less stressful. Additionally, the water-repellent UPF 50+ canopy shields your infant from the sun and light rain. Naturally, there are trade-offs associated with any good design. Although the Duna is great for short trips and travel, it can be a little exhausting to carry for extended periods of time because it weighs more than a conventional infant car seat. Additionally, it can only be used in the early years because it is only rear-facing, so you will eventually need to get a larger car seat. Overall, even if the Duna isn't a long-term stroller option, it is a game-changer for parents who value convenience, security, and adaptability. Number 3. Graco Ready to Grow LX 2.0 Double Stroller. The Graco Ready to Go LX 2.0 is a sensible choice for parents balancing siblings or even twins because it is designed for households with multiple small passengers. Its versatility, it has a bench seat, 2 stroller seats, and even a standing platform, is what sets it apart. This gives both children options that fit their age and temperament, allowing your toddler to sit or stand while the smaller one rides securely. Additionally, the design is incredibly parent-friendly. It folds up more like a single stroller, even though it works like a double stroller, which greatly simplifies storage and transportation. Because the back seat is closer to you, you can spend more time with your infant while you're walking. Additionally, if you currently use Graco infant car seats, this stroller is compatible with them. It can even accommodate 2 at once, which makes it a practical option for twins. Naturally, there are some trade-offs with all those advantages. It's bulkier than a typical stroller because it's made to hold 2 children, which can make navigating tight spaces a little challenging. It's also important to consider the additional weight that results from using 2 seats, particularly on longer excursions. However, this is offset by the small fold, which makes it simpler to store when not in use. The Ready to Grow LX 2.0 excels in terms of convenience and adaptability overall. Despite being inherently larger than a single stroller, it evolves with your family, accommodates various demands, and keeps both youngsters content. Number 2. Colecraft Cloud Plus Lightweight Umbrella Stroller. The Colecraft Cloud Plus stroller is a good option for parents looking for a lightweight yet practical stroller because it was made with travel and daily comfort in mind. It weighs only 13 pounds, making it convenient to transport, fold, and store, whether you're going to the park, flying, or simply throwing it in the car. It is especially useful for families on the go because of its small fold and self-standing construction. Its 3-tier extended copy is one of its best features. It provides your child with exceptional sun protection, making it ideal for long days outside. A considerate addition, the peekaboo window allows you to watch your child without getting distracted. The 5-point safety belt gives peace of mind, and the seat reclines to different positions, making it ideal for children who might want to snooze during outings. The storage choices will also be appreciated by parents. The parent tray with cup holders keeps your drinks close at hand, and the spacious, accessible basket underneath holds plenty of necessities. Another benefit is the detachable kid tray with a cup holder, which gives your toddler a dedicated area for nibbles and drinks. There are several compromises when using a stroller this light. Although the suspension and all-terrain wheels manage daily bumps quite well, it is not the smoothest ride on really uneven terrain, and it is not designed for babies. It is also less durable than larger strollers due to its lightweight structure. Overall, the Colecraft Cloud Plus does a fantastic job of striking a mix between comfort, storage, and portability. Although it's not the most durable choice for heavy-duty use, it's a great travel companion, especially for young children. Number 1. Baby Jogger Summit X3 3-Wheel Jogging Stroller. The Baby Jogger Summit X3 is designed for parents who desire a stroller that can easily handle daily excursions while keeping up with an active lifestyle. Whether you're walking around the neighborhood or jogging on a trail, its 3-wheel design, air-filled rubber tires, and all-wheel suspension provide a smooth ride. You have flexibility based on your pace thanks to the lockable front swivel wheel, which makes switching between running and walking modes simple. This stroller's strong characteristics are control and safety. On downhill trails or when you need more stability at greater speeds, its hand-operated deceleration brake and handlebar tether strap are useful features. The seat's almost flat recline makes it ideal for on-the-go naps, and the magnetic side vents let in additional air to keep your infant cool. In addition to providing sun protection, the UV 50+ canopy with a mesh peekaboo window makes it easier to check in quickly. With a sizable underseat basket and extra seat back pockets to keep necessities close at hand, storage is yet another benefit. Although the stroller is heavier than a lightweight travel model, it is easy to pack away thanks to its one-hand compact fold. It's also important to note that although it can be used with Graco or baby jogger car seats, adapters are available for additional purchase. All things considered, the Summit X3 finds a balance between functionality and daily use. Although its size and weight make it less practical for regular travel, it is strong, smooth, and adaptable, perfect for active parents. That concludes our list of the top baby strollers that are intended to make parenting much more pleasurable and a little bit easier. Each one provides something unique for various lifestyles, ranging from sturdy jogging strollers to lightweight travel-friendly alternatives. A stress-free outing or a stressful one can depend on the stroller you choose. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Legit Pick for more reviews and guides if you found this video useful. Until then, have a pleasant walk.